Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a theta symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a theta symbol on your Microsoft Excel web, I'm just going to show. So if you're just clicking on the insert option, there is no insert symbol option here. It's having picture option, shapes option, and column chart option, everything. But there is no symbol option. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard shortcut as an alternative. Here I'm just going to show what the key that you use to make this theta symbol easily. So you just want to press the Alt key with 233. So first of all, just click on inside the cell, just press the Alt key on your keyboard and type 233 on your number keys. So press the Alt key, type 233, leave the key. Press Alt key, type 233, leave the key. The same process can make a theta, and you can just copy and place wherever you just need it. This is how you just create a theta symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.